Hey everyone, this is David again. We're back here on this series, What is SEO and How It Works, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide. So we're uploading the videos to YouTube, as I mentioned. So basically in YouTube, you've got settings here on the left side. On the bottom left there, you're going to click on settings, and you can have a standard upload of a title and a description. Now, granted, when you upload different other videos that have different topics to what you are putting in the settings, then obviously you got to change it. So that's what I'm doing now with I believe it's vidIQ, if I'm not mistaken, which is the plugin. vidHQ, I think, is the YouTube video helper plugin, if you will, that automatically it should come up on YouTube when you're uploading videos, and it'll give you suggestions. Obviously, you can, like any app, you can get a subscription to it to give you more details. You can see there's like a score here for the title. It's a 52 out of 100. I'm keeping it like that because that's what the topic is. That's what the primary keyword is, with the description there after it. So, and you can see it gives you 100 characters, up to 100 characters, and I use 99 in that title. But even though it's a 52, I still have to keep it because of this is exactly what I'm using. And if I shortened it, let me just show you. If I shorten it, I'll cut this out and see what it gives for a score. Should be better because it's a little shorter and more precise. But yeah, 68 you can see there. So that, and you can expand that. It'll give you the details of the title, and an overall score, what's missing, etc. So that's, now it's 73 it shows, but I have to put the rest of it in because it's describing what it's about. So but that first beginning part is what's important, right? So when you're doing titles and descriptions, you don't want to put, like, I would never put video 1 or the number 1 before the title, right? Because the search engines, they're reading it, YouTube is reading what the title is, and if you have video 1 or number 1 in front of the actual keyword of the title, which is that 12-word primary keyword, then you're kind of defeating the point, right? And then I'm also using this at the top of the description, okay? And you can see here it says upgrade to give more suggestions and all that. So I'm just putting a brief description, not the normal long description. I believe it gives you 5,000 characters, so you can have up to 5,000 characters in the description, 100 in the title, and you want to fill out the description as much as you can. I would have at least 4,000 characters in every description if you can. Put links, right? You want to put all related links. Like, for example, I can copy this video link and just put it right in the description, just like that, right? So, you can do, obviously, social media links I can put longtailscorpion.com, right? And just kind of put all that information that I need for things like that. Okay, so anyway, I gotta finish that. It will give you an auto-generated thumbnail. I would advise, I mean, these are pretty good, actually. So I just clicked on generate thumbnails, and it automatically comes up with kind of some info. So you can use the thumbnail, you can click on it. See vidIQ, the channel isn't connected. I had it connected to something else, a fitness account. So I'm just going to download that without connecting it. Okay, and that is the SEO course thumbnail. And it's definitely worth it. If you're uploading, I did have a subscription to vidIQ before. If you're uploading videos regularly, it's definitely worth it to get a subscription. Obviously, you can go into your free Canva account and create your own thumbnails as well, right? So, I'm just saving these two. Easy SEO setup. I can even use that if I want. I might as well just grab it since it's there and they're offering it. Easy SEO setup, thumbnail. Okay. So I don't want to bore you anymore here. So you got the videos. You got the video link there on the right. Okay. And let's see what else we got. Playlists. You can add and create your playlist. I got a bunch of playlists here. I added that too. Just normally you would always check, no, it's not made for kids unless it's specifically a kid's video. You know, if you have some kind of a lesson for kids or a video cartoon or a whatever that it's designed for kids, then you know, click yes, it's made for kids. Paid promotion, there's no products or sponsors in this video. No, this is about altered content for AI. I don't have any of that. And then I'm just checking these normal features there to allow that. And then I had a bunch of AI keywords in this box because of the settings that I had already done for my AI, for AIsalesify.com. So I had to X out all those old or AI keywords, and I added all these keywords in it. Okay. So you can see here, they're all related to the what is SEO and how it works. And I added a few different ones in there, as you can see. So that should be good for keywords, and then just basic settings here on every video. If you're new to YouTube, this is what I always do. Obviously, you're going to check English or whatever language you do. This content has never aired on television in the U.S. Recording date today is the 22nd. And I think, let's see what I can do here for a location. I don't remember what comes up automatically. Okay, so that's fine. Obviously, we're not. I don't know why the Postal Service showed up. And then standard YouTube license, allow embedding, because you want to be able to embed your videos on your website. And then publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers. That's fine. Allow video and audio remixing. I don't want others to create anything from this. I usually will use the category of how to and style, or people and blogs, unless you have a specific niche that you're going to, you know, entertainment, gaming, whatever, music. Obviously select that specific niche, but generally speaking, for me and what I use, how to and style, people and blogs, those will be really good. Comments are on, moderation, strict, that's fine. And then you can always come back in here and change this, right? So I just wanted to give you an overview of how I set up my video, and then once I'm done with that, copy your video link, of course, and put that in a Google Sheet, okay? And then you'll have the next steps here. Where are they? Right at the bottom. They are usually at the bottom. Okay, so once you're done with the details, you can just click the video elements tab there, add any subtitles and cards you want. Actually, it's at the bottom as well, so this window doesn't move, but you can see there next is there. So I'm going to click next. Okay, and no copyright issues. I don't have any music or anything. I had music, basic music on my other one, but so set as instant premiere. So instant premiere is when you set your video where you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. You don't need to do that. That's just not needed. You can upgrade to boost to see the best times to post and blah blah blah. But you can research a lot of stuff like that. Okay, so I am going to make it public. Okay, this is the video 1. So I got to go through all 5 videos, and once you post it, publish your video, this video published pop-up will show. Okay, so you're gonna make sure you copy your video link, put it in your sheet. If you want to share it anywhere, you can share it social media. Okay, I don't do that. That's I'll do it separately later. Okay, and you can always promote a video, do YouTube ads. All right, so I'm gonna do this for all 5 videos, and then I'm gonna start separating those blog posts. So bear with me. The next video I'll give you a breakdown of the completed YouTube videos and the completed blog posts that are broken down into 3 parts. I'll show you the homepage at longtailscorpion.com and the email opt-in as well. I got to add that SEO 30-day course to that opt-in. All right. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please go to longtailscorpion.com and aisalesify.com for those services, and you'll have the links to the video marketing courses as well on the both on the homepage and in the email newsletter. Okay? Talk to you soon. Thank you.